everyone, I hope you have a nice day. And of course, thank you to our English teacher, Miss Arum, to giving us this fun assessment about procedure text, especially in health topic. Okay, before we start, let's introduce myself. My name is Ofelia Anindia Putri. My present number is 26. So today, we're going to learn something important, something useful, something that makes you look like a mini doctor at home. This video all about how to measure blood pressure using a stethoscope. So why do I know this well? Because my mama is taught me. She saw step by step, so I can help my family, my friend, or anyone who might need a little health check without having to go to clinic or hospital. Very practical, very heroic, and very budget friendly. Alright, enough talking, let's jump into the video and start learning.
Ensure that the cuff you are using is the appropriate size for the patient. Place the cuff on the patient's bare upper arm, approximately 1 inch above the pen in their elbow. If marking for artery on cuff is present, ensure this is aligned with front center of the arm as indicated. Secure the cuff snugly before it is inflated. Make sure you can see the pressure gauge. Pick up the pulse and close the airflow valve with your thumb and forefinger. Palpate the brachial artery and place the stethoscope there. Put the stethoscope in your ears, you should hear the pulse. Inflate the cuff by squeezing the pulse multiple times with your right hand. Watch the couch and inflate the cuff about 30 points from the patient baseline. At this point, you should not hear the pulse in your stethoscope. Keep your eyes on the gauge and slowly release the pressure in the cuff by opening the airflow valve counterclockwise. The gauge reading should fall by only about 2 until 3 points. The first pulse beat is the systolic blood pressure. Slowly deflate the cuff until the sound disappears again. The last pulse beat is the diastolic blood pressure. Quickly deflate the cuff completely and remove the cuff from the patient's arm.